about to head to the DJI headquarters, or I guess what they call it, the Flagship store. And they got their own building out here, so about to go in here and see what they got, see if there's anything new. Alright guys, so we're here in the DJI Flagship store in Hong Kong. We just got here, we're on the second floor. The first floor was all about drones. They had the Mavic Air, the Spark, and the Mavic Pro. We're on the second floor right now, and here we have some of the bigger consumer drones and some of the larger stabilizers. So a lot of the Ronin M's, the Ronin 2s right here. Pretty impressive stuff. I was looking to see if I found the Ronin S. The Ronin S should be coming out pretty soon. But look at these commercial drones here. These are pretty high tech for like movie production. It's really impressive. Pretty nice indeed. Let's take a look at the other level, level 3. Looks like technical support in cinema. Looks like it's closed off. We're gonna go up and come back down, but looks like it's closed for the day. Close at 7 p.m. All right, there's not much here. That's a pretty big iMac. First floor, and we got some handheld stabilizers like the Osmo series and the Osmo Mobile 2 here. This is the first floor that I spoke about earlier. Here are some of your drones like the Spark and the Tello, which isn't DJI, is more of a Rise. But here's the bay here where you can go ahead and test, fly some of the products, which is pretty cool. And the Mavic. Some of the accessories they got here. They have some filters, some props, the DJI goggles, and they're still promoting the Mavic Pro and the Platinum with the quieter tips. But yeah.